mile-an-hour sustained winds with gusts up to 30 and predicted up to 50 miles an hour. Normally the deployment would be automatic. There's the hoses for the water plumbing. In this particular case, we're just print. Unlike mechanical systems or many other systems, there's no change of footprint during the deployment. We'll utilize anybody can do it. This is a critical point. Of course, the shelter is lightweight and it's going to want to fly away. But because of the free staking, high wind deployment is not a problem with